In this video, we are going to review how to use the sub-program or the playlist. So I have already created two programs here on the pendant. So I am going to click Open Program, and I'm going to open Program 1. Now that this has populated, I am going to click on the last waypoint of that program, and under Advanced, I am going to click Sub-Program. And now on this drop-down, I'm going to create new. Over here, I'm going to select Load File, and I am going to load Program 2. Now that everything in my program tree has turned from yellow to white, my program is ready to run right from here. So let's go ahead and run our playlist for Program 1 and 2. Now before it runs Program 2, I'm just going to hit this green button again. Now, if I just want to play Program 2 in my playlist, I select Program 2, the play button, and then this bottom selection, Play Program 2. I'll hit my green Start button, and now it is only going to play the second program in my playlist. And that is how you use the sub-program feature for your BotX XSR. If you have additional questions about this function, please contact the BotX team in your ReadyArc app.